Hello and welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, and thank you for joining me today. The end of April and everything's blooming, but some things are done blooming, so it's time for cleanup in my garden, which often will include a little pest control. In my mind, I was going to take my lemon soap and put it on my spittle bugs, which are all over my calla daisies, or Europe's, or marguerites, whichever you call them.
Here's one thing I'm really happy to see in my garden. Ladybugs. I don't know where the other one went. Lots of bees, lots of ladybugs. This is one thing I'm not happy to see. Do you see it? Spittlebugs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take lemon soap and just put on. A lot of people use neem oil. Oh my gosh, look at the larvae. Wow. They are really, I don't want to hurt the ladybugs. They're all over this bush. Oh, that means there's something they're eating. They don't eat spittlebugs.
Yes, they do eat spittlebugs. I'm so happy. Well, obviously I'm not going to be treating them. Look at that one, the larvae down at the bottom there, that black and orange thing.
Let me take a closer look at that. Oh my gosh, the larvae are everywhere. There's another one. Wow. Daydream.
Larvae are funny looking.
Like the spittlebugs, I'd like to get rid of. They're not really harmful. But I don't want to put the soap. I just use lemon soap. I'm still going to show you how I do it. But this plant is so covered with ladybugs. They're hatching left and right here. This is fantastic. I can just look on almost every branch has a ladybug on it. Wow. I say wow.
This has been so much fun. Even had my garden loving neighbor come over and enjoy watching this, because we're watching all the stages. They hatch, they come out, these wonderful larvae, the little black and orange guys just go around eating everything. Well, everything negative. And then you see the little pupas show up, and they sit there on a plant for a while, and all of a sudden then you have a ladybug. And it was really cool. One day I saw one crack out, and I didn't get her, I got her picture, but I didn't get it right as it came out. And it just had its wings stretched out, drying in the sun. When you look at these pictures, you'd be surprised. There she is. That's the one right there. She was just drying out, and then she got some spots formed, and just what a wonderful experience to watch them like this. And get to take a moment and look at the other flowers in the garden. They are on the sunflowers. They are on the other plants too. You can see one right there on the lilac. I had a really good picture of them that I can't find in all my photos. I tried. Look at them. How exciting. Nature's pest control. Who needs lemon soap? Well, I may still use lemon soap, but it's been fun. However, it has changed some of my gardening techniques, because I have to be careful not to destroy eggs and so forth of the ladybugs.
Like right here, there's a larvae. He may be going to pupa because he's shrunk, he's smaller, and so I think he is. So that particular sunflower, this one right here, is going to stay right here as best I can, because I like ladybugs. Yeah, I'm going to go a little slower on this one. Yeah, this is kind of, I'm second guessing myself on thinning it out. Okay, we're going for it. I'm just going slow. Nothing says I have to take them all out anyway. Look, there's a pretty ladybug. Can you see it? Oh, yes, babies. Everywhere I go. Beautiful. Okay, well that's pretty well thinned out over here. A few more. And then I'm going to aerate and put a little blanket of manure compost.
Thank you so very much for being a part of Cindy's Artistic World today. Please give us a like, follow, or subscribe.